Hello everyone, this is Katish here. In this video, I'm going to go through the AQA Combined Science Chemistry Paper 2 from 2025. Question number 3 is on the topic of using resources. Crude oil is a finite resource found in rocks. What is meant by a finite resource? A finite resource is a resource that will run out eventually. So a resource that will run out, which means it is limited supply. Second question of 3.2. Most of the compounds in crude oil are hydrocarbons. Define the term hydrocarbon. A hydrocarbon are compounds or you could say molecule that is made up of carbon and hydrogen atoms only. Hence the name hydrocarbon. Hydro refers to the hydrogen and the carbon. And these includes the alkanes and alkenes, right? So example, alkanes such as methane, which is CH4, ethane, C2H6, the whole series. So methane, ethane, propane, butane, and so on. And the alkenes, such as ethene, C2H4. 3.3. Crude oil found in different areas have different compositions. Table 2 shows the percentage of composition of crude oil from one area. So here you have the table showing the fractions: petrol, kerosene, diesel oil, heavy fuel oil. So petrol is 31.3, kerosene is 13.4, diesel is 14.4, and heavy fuel oil is 40.9. The volume of crude oil is measured in a unit called barrels. 1 barrel is equal to 159 decimeter cube, which is basically 159 liters. Calculate the volume of petrol in decimeter cube in 90 barrels of crude oil. Give your answer to 3 significant figures. So remember, petrol is, what is the percentage of petrol is 31.3% of, that's 31.3% in 1 barrel. So let's find the total volume of crude oil in 90 barrels. So total volume equals 159 times 90. So 159 times 90 gives us 14,310 decimeter cube, out of which 31.3% is petrol. So 14,310, divide that by 100 to get 1%, and then multiply it by 31.3. that would give me 4,479.03 decimeter cube. And they want the answer in 3 significant figures. So the answer would be 4,480 decimeter cube. Fractions from crude oil can be processed to produce many useful materials by the petrochemical industry. Which is a useful material produced by the petro-industrial chemistry? Alloys are basically made up of metals. Ceramics are made up of non-metals. Fertilizers are inorganic compounds. So from the crude oil, it's the lubricants. It's basically the heavier hydrocarbons. Catalytic cracking is used to crack hydrocarbons. Name one other method of cracking hydrocarbons. That would be steam cracking. Alkanes are produced by cracking. Hydrocarbon Z is a different type of hydrocarbon to alkanes. Hydrocarbon Z is also produced by cracking, can be used to produce polymers. So these are your clues. The polymer, the hydrocarbon that is usually used to make polymers are alkenes. Example, ethene. Ethene has C2H4. The structural formula is like that with a double bond. Remember, when it forms a polymer, we write that as like this. The double bond is broken. And that's polyethene. So what is the test for alkenes? What we're basically testing is the test for this double bond. So the test is add bromine water, and the result would be the bromine water changes color from orange to colorless. That brings us to the end of this question. Thanks for watching.